Hi, it's Emma from Make and Fable, and in this top tip video I'm going to be talking about what to do with an unruly fringe on your finished macrame piece. So this is one of the earring components for my Fringe Benefits earring kit, and it uses embroidery thread or embroidery floss and double half hitch knots. Now, because of the nature of these, when you have finished all your knotting, the threads want to stick out like this, and we really want them kind of hanging down nicely, and no amount of combing them out will make them stay in the same position. The trick to getting all of those threads hanging down is actually to dampen the threads slightly. So what I mean by dampen them is not to dunk the entire thing in some water, but just to dampen a cloth, a flannel, a piece of fabric, and just gently pat just the fringe sections until they're just damp. Let me show you what I mean. So I've taken a cotton cloth, this is just a crochet dishcloth, and I've just put it under the tap to wet it so you can see it's not dripping, and then all you want to do is just gently pat down the fringes until you can see that they are just slightly damp. Then take your comb and begin to comb them into position, and you'll see now they will want to stay. Pay close attention to these areas up here. So if you don't get these bits damp enough, they will still want to stick out. So just make sure that they are sufficiently damp and comb it so that they are all sitting in the right direction. Leave it to dry. I actually prefer to leave it to dry like this on a flat surface rather than hang it up. Once it is dry, you can trim this into your final fringe shape. I hope this top tip has been helpful for you. If you've got any comments, please leave them below, or come find me on Instagram.